Hello friends, how are you? Now let's start our new topic, or can say the last topic of this chapter is the nameless resolution. Name resolution means how can the interpreter define where is the variable. If interpreter receive a variable name, where it locate where the variable is, how it locate where the variable is. Now the first, local namespace. The structure of the Python program is the block within the block in the form of blocks. Local space means first, if a Python receive a variable name, first is check the variable name in the block. In that block means if it may be the block of the function, maybe if, maybe while, anyone. Its search, it is defined within the block. First searching in the block. If not found, then it search its upper block. Means if it is the def function name, block and inner block. If the variable is here, call name is equal to 10. Yeah, or print name. Print name. First is search this variable in this block. If not found, then it search its upper block. If not found there also, then it search in a global namespace. Global namespace means above to all block. Means main program. Means the variable defined above to the each block, which is available in each block. It defined is searched there. If also not found there, then it search the built-in namespace. Built-in namespace means is the variable is provided by the Python. Means built-in provided by the Python. If the user is using some built-in name defined by the Python. If also not there, then it returns the error. What is the error? Variable not defined. Means not defined in the local namespace, not defined in the above block, not defined in the global one, and not defined, not is the built-in one. Then variable is not defined. Now take some example. First, example. Now, here is one program. In this program, there is a function called calsum, which is receiving two arguments, sum up and return the summation. Here, the sum function will display a variable a. Now, here, this is the main block. No indentation line is the first line of the executing, that is called the main block. So first main block, number, enter the first number, second number, and now here calling the function name. Now what variable in global space, what variable in local space. The program will execute from here. It will define a variable num1, receive a value num1 and transfer it to this variable. Now read the second number. Now call the function with this variable. Now this is the global space. Global namespace means num1 and num2 is above this block. First line of executing without the indentation. So this block come under this. So this is the global block. This is the local block. Now this is the global block. Now come to the local one. Local to the function. Local block of the function. In the local block of the function, there are three variables x, y and s. X, y and s. 10 is copied to the x, 20 is copied to the y. Now s is equal to x plus y is copied to the 30. Now come to the here. Print num1. This is the function block. There is no num1 is here. First, interpreter, check this variable in the local space, means local space of that function, not found. Then it search to the global space. In the global space, it is found. There is a num1 which has the value 10. Okay, then it will print the value of num1, that is the 10. Means first is check it's the local space. If not found, then it check to the global space. If not found, then it check the built-in function. If it not found there, then it say the variable not found. Here the variable is not present in the local space, but variable is present in the global space, so it will print the value of the number. Now the second one. Name in local space, neither in local space nor in global space. Here, the complete program. A function which is not receiving any argument, not returning any argument, and here in the main block, you are calling the function. Now, see, in the main block, you are not defining any variable. You are calling the function, so control will transfer to the here. Here it is printing a variable called name. Now, interpreter first check the variable in the function block. There is no variable defined called name in the function block. Then it will check to the global space, global namespace. There is no variable defined called name in the global space. So it will return error, means variable not found, not in local, not in global, not in built-in, so variable not defined. Now the third case. Now, what is here? Now there is a one function and main program. This program will start from here. The first line which has no indentation. Here we define first variable. In the Python, the variable definition is there. If you are assigning some value to a variable, then variable is defined which has some value. So, in the global space, there is a variable called tiger. Tiger, and assign 95 to the variable. Now print tiger. What it will print? It will print 95. Printing is the 95. Then calling the function. It called the function. Now tiger is 15. Now what should be here? In the local namespace, the another variable named the tiger defined, and then the value of this variable is 15. There are two variables, one in the global space, second in the local space, means local to the function. Name is the same, but there are two variables. Now, if we will print tiger, it will print 15. Now, function is over, control transfer to here. Print tiger, it will print the tiger of its block. Now, it will print the 95. Means, the same variable is available. If we are saying in the local block, local variable overlap the global one. If we not define this line, then it will print the 95, global one. But if we declare variable overlap the global one, here if we access the name tiger, it will access the local variable, not the global one. Global is also available, local is also available, but in the block, it will access the inner one. Now, how can we access in inner block the global variable of the same name? Here we are using the keyword called global before declaring the variable. Now it will not declare a new variable, it will access the global one. Now start this program. The program will start from here because this is the first line without the indentation. It will create a variable named tiger, assign 95 to this. It will print tiger, it will print 95. 95. Then calling the function, come to control, come to here. Global tiger, now it is declaring, we are declaring a variable which is global one. Use that one. Now this line will not create any other variable. It will take the global tiger, means this is not declaring the second variable, it will taking the global variable. Now 15 is assigned to the global space, global variable. Now print tiger, it will print 15. Now come to back to the calling place. When you print tiger, it will print, now the global space value is now 15. It will also print 15. Means here we are not declaring the second variable. We are using the same variable which is declared the global one. If you want to use the same global variable name, so you have to declare the variable is the globally declared. We are not declaring the second one. Okay, thank you.